But it's like I tried an iPhone thing. I got the new iPhone 10 back when it first came out. I was there, got it, and I was like, cool, dope. And I was like doing a review, the worst review of my life. And again, that was the first technical review I did. Where motorcycles, I just talk about what it is. I didn't try to be something I wasn't, or something I wasn't familiar with. And it was terrible. And I was like, you know, that was my thinking, like, oh, it's going to go viral, and this is going to be that one video, etc. And I think before I made it private or unlisted, I think I had like 200 views, and that was like after a year, like this is, and it had like 100 thumbs down. Dude, I appreciate y'all being honest, but I tried, and it was just like, it's like, no.
Well, were you trying to be all technical? Is that one of the things?
That's the thing, and that's where I learned from this. Like for this, I mean, is I can't. That's not me. If that was, if I was passionate about that, it would come out. It would be natural instead of me just saying, "This is an iPhone 10 with 250." You know, just like everyone can read that if they want. You know, talk about. Like I think when I switched to the Android Note 10, which I don't have anymore because I just couldn't do Android, I talked about in comparison with the iPhone and how you can use it. And I used it for the photography, videography, the difference in the lenses, what you could do. And that one did fairly well. I mean, it's not blown up, but it was a lot more natural. And I was more proud of that than me trying to, I mean, again, you should try new things because who knows, it could have been amazing. It could have been like a new iPhone, like iJustine or whoever that Marquise, or I can't remember.
Marquise Brownlee. I like that guy. Yeah. He does really good. He's very technical. Some great,
exactly. And he's good at it. It just comes naturally. It's just, maybe he's just been practicing doing it for so long.
And also he's talking from a point of view of this is what I would use it for. And this is what I'm using it with. Like I did this, and this. And then he does mention some of the specs, but he kind of just glosses over them because he does understand that you can read that.
Exactly. Yeah. But, Google. Boom.
Yeah. I like it because he literally will say what he's using it for, and what, you know, if you're going to buy this, I mean, you want to use it for this, it's not going to be the best thing. Yeah. So that's the authenticity. And from what you're saying, dude, I think, like, you know, if you could just share experiences that you have with this equipment, and you do your fun, like, motorcycle riding, all these cool things, and be like shot with, or this was easy to use with this. Yeah. I think that would be good. I think there should be a mixture of both, like you want.
Yeah.
I think you could.
Yeah, because I thought about that with when I was going to do this other channel initially. Not this was like another channel before I actually made this channel. I was trying to figure out what I was going to do. I was going to include firearms because that's just a big part of my life. I love firearms. I love training with them and helping spread education about it. Like, if this is going to happen, you should be aware, you know how to use it, and et cetera, just in different situations. And then I was like, oh, I'll also include this new series where it was going to be called Wander with Connor, which I was thinking about adapting to the current Connor channel. And a lot of people don't really ride a lot of these roads, or they'll be like, hey, Connor, in this group, do you know any good routes for this? Me and my wife, or me and friends, or thinking about going here. And I'll just be like, cool, Google map it. This is it. You can add this route. You can add this. Kind of like a guide for Central Texas. And I want to do that with the channel, kind of like, you know, maybe every other week, like, hey, this is Wander with Connor series. We're exploring Lion Creek Road, which is a really popular one here in Austin because of so many twisties. And just, this is how it is. I turn my head a lot. And so that's the roughest part.
Oh, and, are you talking about right now? I was
like with my GoPro, I'll be like this. And when it comes to the video, and if I fast forward, because no one wants to sit there for 20 minutes, just like, oh, that's the road I'm never going to ride. If I had an exhaust, that might be different. But it's just, I do this. So if I'm fast forwarding, it just looks like this. And it's just like, you're going to get nauseous quick. Yeah. So I need to figure out, like, maybe like a shoulder mount or just like a top mount, something. And that way that I can transfer a lot better.
Yeah.
That was where some guy from California, he was one of the videos I used to watch a lot before I started my channel. And I wish I remember his name right now. I'm drawing a blank. But he would do rides in, what do they call it? Hell's Kitchen, like in California, some back roads and stuff. And he just did a chin mount, and he wouldn't talk at all. And he had his microphone down his shirt in the back by the exhaust. Yeah. And just ride like he rode. And it was just like, damn, if I can't ride it, then just watch this video real quick. And it's just like, oh,
yeah. I've watched a few of people have done that. I think there's a European guy that does that. And it's just like, it just says like just audio on the thumbnail. And there's been times where I'll just watch it and it's just, you hear the exhaust. So having good audio with that is, dude, you can, there's so much stuff. I'm thinking like out right now about all the things you're saying. And you got the manliest of the manliest shit, dude. You got guns, you got motorcycles, you got exploring the wilderness, and then you have the passion for the cameras and
the beard.
Documenting. You need to get a beard, man. That's the thing.
Let me borrow it. I can't grow one.
No.
No.
Oh, that's a shame, man. That's a shame.
My brothers, though, I think it skipped a generation because my older brother, thick. Even my half brother, he's got a huge beard, and then my younger brother, thick. It's like
you did have
I got the mustache.
yeah, you did have like handlebars. I saw him getting trimmed, man. Was that?
Oh, dude.
I saw that.
Now that I see photos and videos, I'm like, did it really look like that? It looked so dumb. But so many people like that. I'd be walking around like, hey, dude, mustache. It was always dudes, which I didn't mind. But I wish like a girl would be like, hey, nice mustache. Like, oh, hey,
yeah, girls don't like it. Girls don't like it. Dude.
No.
That's what I'm saying, man. If you grow that back, you don't even need a beard. Just grow that back. Do the guns, do the motorcycling, do the adventures, and then record it, and then tell people.
The hat.
Dude, have everything. Have a full get up. Be known for that. Honestly, now we're adding more. Now we're just adding more.
Damn.
Should totally do it, dude. I think you should document all that stuff. Definitely.
Well, I'm shaving my mustache Tuesday after the expo. It's just I figured I was gonna do, just a break. I only shaved it once last year, and then other than that, it was 99% of 2019 was my mustache. I don't even like it really. I mean, now I've grown to like it.
Yeah.
But it was just kind of started being associated, like, hey, that's Connor. People would identify, like, oh, mustache. I only knew because it was you because of the mustache. Okay, well, I'll leave it for a while. And then it went all year. And then my birthday is middle of the month next month, and so I figured I'll shave it Tuesday. Then I go back to work Wednesday, and then that way it's just about half a month that I'll have no mustache. Everyone's like, what at work?
You need to like change it up because I was starting to be noticed for that too, and I don't want to be like a Dr. Phil where I can never shave it. So I grew a beard, and I'm probably gonna shave it soon, and then I'm gonna regrow it, so it's gonna be changing it up. But
yeah, well, it's like that dude Brady Till Death for Go Fast Don't Die. He shaved his beard. I was just like, what? That looks weird. Because I mean, he's got a glorious beard, but his mustache is just majestic. It's like, okay, cool. That's Brady. And then he shaved it. I was just like, oh, that's a good look. You look good with change, but it's just
you're a dude. You're just a normal dude now.
Exactly.
You were majestic, like a unicorn before, but not anymore. That's my.
It's like if Jason Momoa shaved his head, like because he's had long hair for so long.
Oh yeah, I saw him when he shaved his beard and he looked different, but not too bad. I mean, he's got those eyebrows, so that's always gonna be there.
Oh, Jason Momoa.